Welcome to Session 1 of AI-Powered Test Automation with Playwright. In this series, we're going to take you from the fundamentals of software quality assurance all the way to writing AI-assisted automation scripts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Introduction. This session is designed for everyone. Whether you're brand new to software testing or you already have some experience in automation. By the end of this video, you'll understand what software quality assurance is, the different roles that exist in QA, and how artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of our industry. Let's dive in. What is QA? Let's start with the basics. Software quality assurance, or QA, is the practice of making sure that software behaves correctly, performs reliably, and delivers a great experience to the end user. Think of QA as the safety net between your development team and your customers. It covers three core pillars: reliability, meaning the software works consistently; performance, meaning it's fast and scalable; and user experience, meaning it's smooth and error-free. At the end of the day, quality is what builds trust with your users. QA roles. Now, within QA, there are two primary career paths. The first is the manual tester, also called a quality analyst. These professionals test applications by hand. They explore the product, follow test cases, click through the UI, and report bugs. The second path is the test automation engineer. These are engineers who write code to automate the testing process using tools like Selenium, Cypress, or, our focus in this series, Playwright. Both roles are valuable, and today the most in-demand engineers are those who can do both. Industry shift. Here's the reality of where the industry is heading. Traditional manual testing alone is no longer sufficient to keep up with the pace of modern software development. AI is reshaping how we test, moving us away from flaky, slow test suites toward reliable parallel execution. Moving from isolated UI testing toward unified API and UI coverage. The engineers who will thrive are those who embrace automation and pair it with AI-driven capabilities. The message isn't meant to be harsh, it's a genuine opportunity. Adapt, and you'll be ahead of the curve. Introducing Playwright. So what tool are we going to learn? Playwright. Playwright is a modern test automation framework developed by Microsoft. It's completely free, open source, and built for the way developers write software today. Getting started is incredibly simple. You can have it installed and your first test running in under 5 minutes with just one command. npm init playwright at latest. It's that straightforward. Core features. Let's talk about what makes Playwright stand out from the crowd. First, auto-waiting. Playwright automatically waits for elements to be ready before interacting with them. This eliminates a huge percentage of flaky tests that typically impact other frameworks. Second, cross-browser support. Your tests run seamlessly on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari right out of the box, with no extra configuration required. Third, beginner-friendly experience. Playwright offers excellent documentation, a clean setup process, and a relatively smooth learning curve. Fourth, smart locators. It uses modern, resilient locator strategies that are far more reliable than traditional XPath or CSS selectors. And beyond that, there are a couple of powerful built-in advantages. Parallel testing by default, without needing additional configuration like testng in Selenium. Unified API and UI testing, allowing you to validate backend and front-end in the same framework. The bottom line, auto-waiting leads to stable tests, and built-in capabilities lead to faster, smarter automation. Playwright is truly a game-changer in modern test automation. AI capabilities. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Playwright has built-in support for AI-assisted code generation. What does that mean in practice? It means you can describe what you want to test, and AI tools can generate the automation script for you. Complete login flows, form submissions, navigation checks, all written automatically. This dramatically accelerates your productivity and lowers the barrier to getting started with automation. AI plus automation equals speed. That's the equation we're working with. Closing. So to bring it all together, tools like Playwright allow you to build faster, test smarter, and deliver real, measurable impact on your team and your product. In our next video, we're going to get hands-on. We'll install Playwright step by step and write your very first test script together. If you're serious about mastering AI-powered automation, you're in exactly the right place. See you in the next session.